Yeah, so right now we're going to go into product categories and product lists. To, product categories are basically just used to group products into like one particular category. Every product must be under at least one category, but a product can have multiple categories, meaning you can put, let's say, a particular product under conference or an MC if you want, but there must be at every product must be under at least one category. Right now we have the main categories, then we have the subcategories. This is how it basically looks on the front end. As you can see, all the main categories are listed on the menu. Then all the subcategories will be listed. If you click a main category, it takes you to a page which shows you all the categories, all the product under that category, and under the subcategories in that category. If I click on conference hall, it filters it out more and just gives me the product on that conference hall. If I click on event center, it does the same thing. So that's basically how categories work. I'll show you how to add products to categories later on when we start creating products. For the product lists, you click on products and click on products. The product list basically is a list of all products that you have created, whether they are active, hidden, or disabled. This list basically shows the following essential information. Shows the image of the product, which is just a small thumbnail of the main product image. It shows the name of the product. It shows the code. The code is an identifier, which is just an SKU. It's not necessary or compulsory for it to be there, and it doesn't have to be unique. But it's just a code that you use for stock keeping in your own personal distance. The price of the product is shown here. The list price. The list price is basically the manufacturer suggested price. Your price, this is the price that is going to be shown on the front end. This the product price. The list price is basically going to be shown. If you put it, it's not compulsory to have it there, but if you put it, it will be, and if your price is lower than the list price, on the front end, it will show that. Let me show you a product that has the list price. As you can see, this 10,000 is the list price, and the 5,000 is the price, which is the product price. The 10,000 is like the manufacturer suggested price, and the 5,000 is the price you're selling at. So it's kind of like a marketing tool if you want. If you're sure, okay, a particular product you're selling is much more expensive every other place, and you're selling it at a very cheap price or at a cheaper price, it will just show, okay, you save 5,000. If the price is 6,000, it will show you save 4,000. It's just a marketing way or tool that you can use. The quantity is basically the stock number. How much of that product do you have in stock? The currency, depending on what currency you are going to collect money in, or the currency that you want to showcase the product price in. The status, which can be active, hidden, or disabled. If it is active, then the product can be looked for through the search bar. It will show on the front end. If it is hidden, you won't be able to find that product on the search bar. If I search for this particular product now on the search bar, Google can, it won't bring out anything. Yeah, as you can see. And if it is disabled, the product won't even show at all on the front page, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically the essential information this list shows. You can also search for particular products or filter out for particular products using the search bar at the side. We've focused on this before for others, but just to remind you, you can search. Let's say I put halls here. You can search. Oh, let me change that to hall. And I click on search to bring out all products that have the name or the phrase hall in its name. You can filter off by price. You can filter out by category. You can use the advanced search for more detailed filters. Um, as I said before, you can also pin filters. at the side of the bar. So when you come, you can have easy access. Right now, I have a filter for 0 to 5,000. Just to remind you how you do that, you go to advanced search, you put whatever filter or criteria you want to search by. Let's say you can change the price, you can put a particular category if you want. Then once you're done, all you have to do is click on save this search. Let's call it new. Once click on save, it will show at the sidebar here. So once you just click on product and you can choose, okay, I want to see all the products from 0 to 5 that cost 0 to 5,000. You click on it here, it will bring out all the products. The last thing I want to show you is you can use multi-select by just clicking on any of this white space. Under the multi-select, you can change the category of multiple products. You can change the price and stock of multiple products. You can change the status of multiple products. I can, as you can see. Um, Edit selected. We'll get back to this later after I've created products. You can clone multiple products. You can export multiple products, and you can delete multiple products. You want to clone this now, just so that you see what it looks like. As you can see, it just created other products that have clone beside it. The product will be disabled, but yeah. So that's basically it for the product list. Thank you.